Today I'm going to be doing my presentation on the slaughter pipelines. The slaughter pipelines are mostly operated under the radar while handfuls of horses are being sold for slaughter, while thousands of people are going to auctions to sell or buy horses, never knowing what is going to happen to the horse or where it could have ended up. The slaughter pipeline doesn't care about the age or health of the animal. All that matters is buying enough horses for a cheap enough price to make the quota. No horse slaughter, whether in the US or foreign plant, was never and cannot be humane due to the nature of the industry and the unique biology of horses. Horse meat has also been slipped into beef and pork packaging to be sold. February 15th, 2013, horse meat was found inside of IKEA's meatballs, being sold as a beef product, where 2.2 pound packs labeled beef and pork, but it was DNA tested as horse meat. Due to the fact American horses are not raised for food, they are routinely given a wide range of medications and chemical substances prohibited by the FDA. Due to the fact in Canada horses need to get their strangles, some need Previcox, and some need even more that are so toxic that it can end up killing a human. These drugs are toxic when ingested by humans, but the kill buyers do not care and still illegally do it, allowing them to save a couple $100s in their hauls. The unwanted horses are what help advocate for the continuation of horse slaughter itself. The term unwanted horses are used for the horses in their older ages that people say they just don't have uses for anymore, or for the horses that have injuries that the owner doesn't want to put any more money into, even though some of these injuries are so easily reversible. Horses that fit into the unwanted category can be fixed or even brought into a loving retirement barn, as well as foals that have been orphaned can end up being sent to slaughter in auctions, due to the owners not wanting to raise a foal on their own, due to not having a mare to support it. Due to the carelessness of old owners, it allows kill buyers to make up stories and even cause the old owners to believe the kill buyers and have the horses sold to them before the auction even begins. This causes owners that may care about where their horse ends up being bought and killed illegally. The thoroughbred race industry sends an estimated 10,000 horses to slaughter annually, meaning that half of the 20,000 new foals born each year will be eventually killed for their flesh. Due to the foals and yearlings, as well as older ages, not being up to the expectations placed on them, as well as the pain blockers and drugs used on them until they break, having them sent to slaughter because they are too broken or deemed unsafe. Meaning, many industries send their horses to slaughter and say that they've even ended up in good homes, even though most just go to slaughter. This includes the amount of people in the kill pen industry putting posts online saying, if you want this horse out, pay this much money. But most of the times, they don't even get rescued. The kill buyers take the money and the horse gets put through another auction, which may cause them to be sent back to the kill buyers. And these are all of my references. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation, and I hope you have a great day.